In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the default email message in QuickBooks Online. If you regularly send invoices, estimates, or sales receipts through QuickBooks Online, updating your default email message can save time and help keep your communication clear and professional. Instead of rewriting the same message every time, you can customize the default subject line and body text once, then let QuickBooks use that version going forward. To get started, sign in to QuickBooks Online and look to the upper right corner of the screen. Click the Settings icon, which appears as a small gear. This is where you'll find many of the account-level options that control how your business information and sales settings work. From the menu that appears, select Account and Settings. This will open a new panel with several categories on the left-hand side. These sections let you manage different parts of your QuickBooks Online preferences. Next, click Sales. The Sales tab includes settings related to how your business handles customer transactions, including invoices, reminders, and message templates. Once you're in the Sales section, scroll down until you find the Messages area. This is where QuickBooks stores the default email text used when sending forms to customers. When you reach the Messages section, click Edit, shown with a small pencil icon. This opens the fields you can customize. Here, you can edit the default email subject and the email message itself for invoices, estimates, or sales receipts. Take a moment to review the wording carefully. It's a good idea to keep your message polite, direct, and easy for customers to understand. You may want to make sure the message matches your brand tone and clearly explains what the customer is receiving. As you update the subject line and message, remember that this text may be sent often, so keeping it professional and general usually works best. If your business sends different types of sales forms, check that the wording fits each one appropriately. Once you're happy with your changes, click Save. This applies the new default email content to your settings. Then click Done to exit the editing view and return to the main settings area. That's all it takes to update the default email message in QuickBooks Online. Making this small adjustment can improve consistency, reduce repetitive work, and help your outgoing emails look more polished. Thanks for watching.